You searched how to buy shares of Comcast Corp. Comcast is a global media and telecommunications company providing cable, broadband, and content services. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker CMCSA. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will normally verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CMCSA to find Comcast Corp. Select the matching NASDAQ listing to make sure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart. Double-check the company name and NASDAQ listing to confirm this is the right Comcast share. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may execute at the next market open, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once the order fills, your Comcast position will appear in your portfolio. Check the video description for the eToro link if you want to explore the platform.